Good morning, Tracy, and welcome to this week's edition of Principal Talk. I'm Mr. Bull.
And I'm Mrs. Lackey.
So excited you're here. Before we get too far into the program, these last couple of weeks I've been forgetting to review the Tracy Pledge, so let's say it together. I respect you, and you respect me. I am responsible so all can see. I choose every day to act kindly. Always a Tracy Tiger I will be. Well, Mrs. Lackey and I are so excited and so happy with the amount of effort that every student in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade put into the PSSA for reading, math, and science. You all did a fantastic job. Your teachers have shared that you have earned your tickets and your rewards, and we have a very exciting event coming to you shortly in a couple of Fridays. Also, a special thank you to grades kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade for doing such a great job getting kids excited about taking the test, but also being extra quiet in the hallway and when you had specials. 2 thumbs up for the entire school. We're so excited for your effort. Now this week, yes, there's more testing. Testing for grades 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we are going to start taking the MAP assessment. And as we talked about last time, we know some of the questions on there you're going to know and do a great job on there. And there might even be some questions you don't know. But we know you can push through because we all can do hard things. So we're counting on every student. In kindergarten, don't worry, we're counting on you because you've got some great assessments on ES, GI, and Acadians. So let's do our Tracy best. Mrs. Lackey, I think you're here to share some information about our Cool to Be Kind.
Sure, students, we have had a great year so far, and we are looking forward to many fun events coming up here for the month of May and the month of June. So I know a lot of people are going on field trips coming up, so we want to remind you a couple things. Whenever you leave our building here at Tracy, we always expect you to be responsible, respectful, and kind. So I know your teachers will review with you ways that you can do that on a field trip. It's always important that you listen to the adult in charge. They will have the expectations for your different places that you'll be going. Same rules apply when you're on the bus and when you get to your destination. Also the bus ride home, and then when you're back at school. So I know your teachers will review with you ways to be respectful, responsible, and kind whenever you're on a field trip. So that's about field trips. To wrap up our second step, we have a lot of things just to review throughout this school year. So today, Mr. Bull and I are going to review a couple of the topics that we talked about all the way back in September.
September?
Yeah, forever ago.
Such a long time ago.
The very first lesson was all about being respectful, which is one of our Tracy Tiger traits. So a lot of you are very good with this. So we have to remember to think about how others want to be treated and treat them that way, and that makes you a respectful person. Remember that being respectful actually helps you to become a better learner.
And not only does that, but also focusing attention and listening. And this is really important, especially when we leave the school building, that we need to make sure that we focus our attention and listen to help you be a better learner, and also when we're in other spaces following directions, whether it's on a field trip or on the bus or at the park. Also focusing your attention and listening, that's a way for us once again to show respect.
Thinking about self-talk. That was a big topic back in the fall, but self-talk doesn't go away. That means that you are talking to yourself in a quiet voice or in your head. Self-talk can help you focus, stay on task, and handle distractions.
And remember, sometimes if you have possibly a disagreement or you have some confusion about right and what's happening in the situation, we talked about being assertive. And remember, being assertive as well as being polite is asking what you might need in a calm yet firm voice, stating what you need. It's also being assertive is a respectful way to get what you want or need. Remember, use your words.
I think those are good reviews. We'll be back at it next week with a different topic to review with you from Second Step, and just to remind you of some other events happening here at Tracy. So with that, have a great Tiger Day.
Bye-bye.
Grr.